What's up everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing Loot Anime powered by Loot Crate. Let's get this open. First thing on here, Karate Yo Koiyo. Hey, we got a little angry little vein here. It's a hat, by the way. In case you guys didn't notice, it was a hat. Not sure where that's from, so we'll find out later on the spoiler card thing. Then we got cup, a Naruto cup. It's pretty cool. So we got that. Let's get down to this item. Was that JoJo Bizarre Adventures? It's a scarf. Pretty big scarf. So we got that. Next thing on here, we got the shirt. Dragon Ball Z 2019 Dragon Ball Z 30th anniversary. We got Goku, Vegeta. Cool shirt. Next thing on here. Want to eat your pancreas? What? Okay, promotions. Here you go. And turn dinner stress into dinner time. Can add that there. Because, you know, no one wants dinner stress. Next thing on here, and looks like the last item, it's going to be the poster. Fearless. Got the items here. Oh, so you could have gotten one of those. So we got the red one. Pretty much that's everything for this box. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.